Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable on my iPhone account in Notes and what it does on the iPhone. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to first open Notes. And here you have notes, all your notes, and also you have folders. So the Quick Notes, iCloud, the Yahoo Notes if you have them, and the Outlook notes also. You can also create a new folder. I'm not going to do this right now, but you have all your folders of notes right here. So if you want to enable the On My iPhone folder, on my iPhone account in your notes, you want to open settings, swipe down, search for notes and just tap on them, then again go down and enable the On My iPhone account. So the On My iPhone account allows you to store notes only on this device and your other notes won't be affected. So what it means, if you turn on this feature, open Notes, and you should be able to find On My iPhone folder right here, and you can add notes. So let's create a simple note, maybe test 3, okay, and just hi. And what it does, that this note is going to be stored only on this specific device. So if you have another devices in your Apple ID account, these notes are not going to be synchronized or sent to any other device automatically. You can still share them, I think so, yeah, you can still share those notes, but these notes are only going to be on this specific device. So on this specific iPhone, these notes are going to be. If you have another iPhone or let's say the MacBook or the iPad connected to your Face ID, these notes are not going to be synchronized with other devices. They are only going to be on this specific device. So now this feature is on. If you turn off this feature, as you can see, because we have created some notes, if you want to turn this off, the iPhone is going to ask you, are you sure? Because this is going to delete all your notes if you turn off this feature. So delete notes. And now, as you can see, you're not going to be able to find this. And now if you turn this feature again to on, you're going to find On My iPhone notes, but not the notes that were here before turning it off and moving it somewhere else. So this is it. This is how you turn on the On My iPhone notes and how it works. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.